Looking to discover the hottest new products on Amazon? From unique finds to bestsellers that everyone's talking about? Stay tuned until the end, because one of these items might just be your next must-have. If you're looking for an air fryer that packs power, versatility, and a space-saving design, the NinjaKrispy Air Fryer is about to become your new favorite kitchen companion. The included 6-cup and 4-quart Tempware glass containers have you covered. The smaller size is perfect for a quick meal in just 7 minutes, while the larger container can handle a whole 4-pound chicken, making it ideal for both small and large batch cooking. Introducing the TreeShape wooden trivet set, a beautifully crafted set of 4 trivets and 1 convenient bracket. Designed to safeguard your surfaces from the heat of hot dishes, simply lift it from the holder and place it directly on your countertop or dining table. Gravity does the rest, unfolding it into its full form without any hassle. Introducing the Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender, a game changer for smoothie enthusiasts and fitness lovers alike. This isn't just your typical portable blender. This is a blender with Ninja Power Blast technology, designed to give you the same crushing power of a full-sized corded blender, but now in a completely cord-free and portable design. Imagine having the perfect cup of hot coffee or tea anytime, anywhere, right from your car. If you love convenience on the go, then this portable electric car kettle might just be what you've been waiting for. A compact yet highly functional travel companion that turns your vehicle into a personal cafe. Introducing the Eggshell Opener, a compact and efficient tool that makes cracking eggs as easy as pressing a button. This isn't your ordinary egg cracker. Designed to handle everything from delicate raw eggs to stubborn hard-boiled ones, it allows you to prepare your eggs without the hassle of handling them directly. Introducing the Chicken Shredder Tool, a game changer for anyone who loves perfectly shredded meat without the hassle. This isn't just another kitchen tool, it's a precision shredder designed to transform your meal prep. Equipped with a strong anti-slip chassis and a high-grade diamond design. Introducing the Electric Pressure Washer, a powerhouse cleaning machine designed to tackle even the toughest dirt and grime. This washer brings professional-grade cleaning to your home. It's built to cut through layers of dirt while still being eco-friendly, conserving water and energy without compromising on performance. Looking to add a touch of luxury and comfort to your home? If you've been searching for a rug that combines style, comfort, and easy maintenance, this next product is about to become your new favorite accent piece. Machine Washable Area Rug, a perfect blend of supreme comfort and practicality. This isn't just any rug, it's designed to elevate your space with a 1.5-inch plush pile surface and 30% thicker sponge padding, giving you a cushioned, cloud-like feel every time you step on it. Introducing the Pucun Diatomaceous Earthstone Bath Mat, the ultimate solution for keeping your bathroom dry, safe, and stylish. This isn't your typical fabric bath mat. Made from diatomaceous earth, a natural and highly absorbent material, this mat dries in seconds, instantly soaking up water and leaving no puddles or wet footprints behind. Introducing the Catbox Hat Organizer, a US-designed, patented solution specifically crafted to keep your baseball caps looking fresh, organized, and easily accessible. This isn't just another hat rack or cap hanger. This is a dedicated hat storage system designed with collectors in mind. Featuring a unique sliding tray and stackable design, it can accommodate up to 10 to 15 caps depending on how snugly they're packed, giving you flexibility in how you display and store your collection. That wraps up today's roundup of the 10 hottest new releases on Amazon. If you saw something you liked, be sure to check out the links to all the products down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.